I'm hungry.
Do you want a bagel?
No.
Why?
Because I'm in the mood for a crap.
Huh?
I'm in the mood for crap food.
It's for crack.
That too.
Man! Guess what kind of bagels these are?
Cherry? I don't know.
These are some retarded raisins. Blech. Never mind. I don't want none of that now.
You want pizza? You want to make pizza?
That pizza's like for orphans.
Actually, I'm not really in the mood for waiting for pizza.
You know what I mean?
I ain't making you nothing.
I'm not really hungry. I want 4 of these. Okay. You can watch me
Devour it.
Oh.
I'm joking.
I'm not gonna eat it. Okay.
I don't think that's the way you're supposed to do that.
A little difficulties, okay. Okay. I don't even know how long I could before anything.
So they smell delicious.
Probably never. What if I'm supposed to like leave them in this bag?
Blood and guts, son. Blood and guts.
You remember?
Mhm.
Okay.
Don't eat the cream. You ate all the cream.
That's no fun.
Nom nom. Here.
Don't watch me while I eat it.
Me too. There isn't anything to drink. I guess I'll drink tea. Even though tea rhymes with pee.
Oh shit, I forgot about these. First grape soda.
Yeah. Why are so many funny things happening right now? I can't get it out of my cup.